Module 3 of Creative Mind is the human use of the self. And it's about bringing your whole being into the conversation for generative change and using it in a skillful, productive way. So Creative Mind talks about how at the base, everything is connected, everything shares the same life force. So this is true, of course, for all of us human beings. So when we have a conversation, is that we are sharing the same human space, and each of us has our own unique ways to experience things, but the deeper core is that we have this shared humanity. So in the Creative Mind work with others, rather than thinking of the coach as somebody who's outside the system, plotting and planning, analyzing and diagnosing, we think about the coach as somebody who enters deeply as both an observer, but also a full participant. And to use your own experience, your own joy, your own suffering, your own humanity to begin to open this conversational space. So what a person is struggling with is not in isolation. It's not what disconnects them from the world, it's what connects them. This is a skill. So it's what we really focus on in the 3 days. What is it to develop that skill? For example, what is it to first have this deep connection to your own center that makes it safe for you to open up to whatever is there in the other person? What is it then to add not only this deep connection to your center, but this openness to the field, to all of life? Then, only then, is it safe to fully open to every part of another person's experience, so you can be with it without becoming it. And then to feel in this reciprocal exchange that you can bring everything a person is working with and bring it into a living, alive, creative space so that it can work its magic, if you will. This allows you as a coach to not only have this very significant capacity to help people change, but it allows you to be changed yourself. That's not only a gift to you, but it's one of the greatest gifts that you can give other people, is to let them know that who they are really makes a positive shift and gives you a blessing to be yourself. So there's a lot to focus on that. We have a lot of methods, a lot of specific things practically, but it really is an important dimension. It's why I'm doing it early in the training, the third module, because when you have this connection, it really opens up new dimensions in your ability to help people change. Hope to see you.